Good morning. It's August 12, 4:30 in the morning. We actually went out already because we had to get coffee. One realization for today, and this is like super early na realization on a Monday morning, is that funny how one price of coffee that I would buy from Starbucks or Jayco is already equivalent to this much coffee, as in that much. Kasi 236 pesos lang yung bill namin sa 7-Eleven. So anyway, maagap tayo ngayon because we have a lot of things scheduled all throughout the week. Medyo bomba tayo ng tasks ngayon because traveling na tayo this weekend. So I'm very excited to travel. But at the same time, hindi ako na-excite sa, parang nakaka-anxiety ng medyo slight yung number one is yung financial standing natin, yung isang client delayed ang payment, dami nating pending, pero we're getting through it all ng paunti-unti. Hopefully, maayos this week yung listahan ko. Nililista ko lahat ng mga pendings ko here. So, meron ako ditong, this is to do, and this is to pay, and tax week na yon. So, malaki-laki na naman ang babayaran natin. Panic attack ng slight. Pero I always believe that as long as you work hard, as long as you do your best, God provides. Currently editing videos from December of 2023. So yes, ganun katagal na backlog ko sa mga vlogs ko. But I promised myself that I will get this out. I will focus on organizing. Sabi ko nga, na-mention ko na to sa previous video ko na ang focus natin for the rest of 2024 is number 1, finances, and number 2, cleaning and organizing. Like, fixing my life ang atake, ganyan. We're done with our first shift to sa isang work natin, which is as an interview specialist. Now, next stop is, I'm telling my friends na lumabas na kami ngayon kasi pasok na ako mamayang hapon. Ayan, tatawagan ko ng best friend ko. So, si Bestie, sabi ko, tara na, mag-ready na tayo. Kasi, may pasok kami mamayang hapon, mamayang gabi. Marami kaming gagawin sa buhay. Huwag na natin hintayin mamaya pa. Ano yung mga aso ko? But let's get ready. Almost 12 noon, nandito na kami kina BBP Michelle. Michelle, arte natin. Hindi na kami tumayo ng tropa ko, sinusundo na namin sila. Tapos, hindi pa kami nakakapag-decide kung saan kami kakain. But we will have lunch and a little bit of get-together before yung start nung araw namin as freelancers. Right, Pete? Mm-hmm. And we just got home. It's already 6:32 in the evening. And we haven't slept. So, I had to move, buti na lang kamo, yung speaker natin for today's class is not available. So, we're moving that to probably Wednesday or Thursday. And then, yung mismong revamp class, minove na lang, kinancel na lang namin siya. Anyway, may mga tasks naman yung mga mentees natin. I'm pretty sure that they are very occupied with all of the things that they need to get done. Hopefully, by tomorrow, tapos na sila doon. For now, I need to sleep na because I still have work at 12. So, I have about 5 hours of sleep, and that is okay. The team is already excited about Boracay and all that. Before that even happens, I want to make sure natapos ko lahat ng aking responsibilities. So, matitira na lang talaga for me when we get there sa Boracay ay pahinga. I am on track, still on track, kahit pa nakasama natin ang mga BPPs for 6 hours. Sobrang worth it yun because once a year lang halos nagkakasama-sama ng ganun. Kami ni Christine, lagi kaming nagkakasama kasi pwede kaming pumunta every now and then dun sa kanila. And sila rin, nakakapunta sila dito sa bahay, lalo na nung meron ng garahe. But the rest of the BPPs, Best Peer Pressure, yun yung pangalan nung ba't samahan namin ng college, hindi kami madalas nagkakasama-sama. A lot of them are out of the country already. Doon na sila namumuhay. So, kapag ka umuwi talaga, yung isa, as much as possible, mas maganda na nagkakasama-sama para lang, alam mo yung balikan nyo yung masasayang alaala, but at the same time, talk about plans and all. And si BPP Mitch, si Michelle, sabi niya, subukan daw namin mag-apply sa US. So this could be a vlog where I would talk about possibly trying to move to the US or visiting US just to give it a try. Yun yung sabi niya, BPP, basta punta kayo doon, as long as wala daw kaming problemang matulog sa couch, which honestly ako, walang problema sa akin. Just to try out yung environment, how it's like there. So I'm kind of intrigued because of the fact that the kids are now all grown up. I'm kind of intrigued. I am intrigued by the thought. That's still far from what could be happening in the next 5 years. I am really just so happy that we are all progressing kasi si Anying, si BPP, Christine. The bestie, yan. A lot of you guys would probably remember her as bestie. Meron naman silang another parang milestone sa buhay nila. And I'm just so happy because it's just so good. Life is good. It's tough, but it is good. Anyway, tutulog muna ako. Good morning, kitty pala yung screen ni Babs Kitty. Yan, dito kayo. Good morning. So, it is 4:20 of August 13th. We are just about to start our day. Supposedly, I had a client meeting kaninang 12, but I moved everything because yesterday we went out with the friends and nakauwi kami sa around 6 o'clock na. And dahil nga hindi pa ako nakakatulog, I had to move everything to today. So today, we're focused on just getting everything done because tomorrow, Wednesday, I plan on doing some self-care. So with the self-care naman, focus natin is ang ating sarili. But in order for us to be able to achieve that, we have to make sure na everything today ay plakado na. And when I say everything is plakado, like, so, anyway, with that being said, I need to get started na because we have a couple of backlogs that I wanna work on first before our 6 o'clock series of interviews, because you guys already know, have I told you about the interview position? So I'm now an interview specialist for one sourcing company, and nakakatuwa because ang primary goal ko dito talaga is to have access dun sa mga hirings para maibato ko siya sa team, kasi this will open up a lot of access sa mga hiring na normally hindi na naiichika ng externally. Pero today, dahil meron tayong access, alam mo yun, ko siya. Kagaya niyan, social media manager, graphics designer, na-access natin siya. So that is good. That is fantastic. Okay. So anyway, that's that. I'll keep you guys posted with our progress. For now, let me just check on my emails and all. 5:40 in the afternoon. I only had about 3 hours of sleep, and then back to our office na. And today is gonna be a tough day because I have work. So I have meetings until 11, and then I have a client work from 12 to 4, and then I have set of interviews in the morning. So I'm going to have to probably find ways to make the schedule work. But it's already Tuesday, and I only have until tomorrow to fix all of my affairs before the Boracay trip. So, yun lang. Also, alam nyo ba, nako-conscious ako kasi ang dami ko nakitang pictures ko na as in wala na akong leg. So, ibig sabihin, pag nako-conscious ako sa itsura ko, mataba na naman ako. Pero, kanina nagluto ng spam silog si Popski. So, kumain pa rin ako ng kanin. Ang hirap ng discipline ng ganun. Siguro, eventually ha, I can't see myself going low carbs in the near future. Pag may naka-ready na food talaga na for low carbs. Pero for now, Diyos ko, sarap magkanin. Antok na antok pa ako lagi. So, I think yung kakulangan ko sa tulog is also a factor. Kaya, cut na ko ng kain. So, anyway, we have a class at 6 p.m. and we have 2 speakers na naka-line up. Supposedly. If that doesn't work, then tomorrow meron pa ako isang class. But I am hoping that by Thursday kasi pahinga na hopefully. So, that's that. Good morning. It's Wednesday, August 14th. Almost 6 in the morning. And these are my tasks for the day. So, medyo marami-rami siya. I also have, those are just personal tasks, guys. But I also have my client task, which starts with one interview at 6 a.m., I believe. So, I only have 3 interviews today. And I'm not sure why I got this email. She's not even scheduled today. Okay, I'm gonna check kasi may nag-email. But it's kind of hard to keep track of everything, especially when you're working on multiple clients. So it's kind of tricky talaga. You really have to be able to work around creating innovative gusto nyo na innovative strategies on how to be as productive as you can be in one day. And right now, I'm still adjusting because I just got 2 clients. So we are packing our laptop and mayuka. Ayan. Our laptop and ano ba? Headset. I got this bag for only 500 pesos, I think, sa SM for when I need to, kagaya today, to bring my laptop at saka headset. So, ang dami nagtatanong ng headset nito. This is Logitech G735. Regalo to ni Popski sa Shopee niya nabili. I think it was 13,000 plus nung binili niya. But, mag-comment na lang kayo dyan if you wanna get it. Kasi alam ko, may mas nakita akong mas mura. I'm also going to bring some of my stuff like this. Parang di ko kailangan tong bag na to. Parang wallet lang. Wallet, alcohol. And then that's it. Power bank is from Romos. This is our current favorite power bank because it's 20,000 milliampere. Magaan siya. Pasok sa panlasang Pinoy. Okay. That's pretty much it, I think. Alright. Anyway, may CR na tayo because nadaanan pa namin sister-in-law ko, the baby girl. So, we're currently here at SM. Nakapagpalinis na ako ng nails, prepping for Boracay, and we're currently eating. So, Popski is having Goto ni Juan, the all-time favorite, while ako naman ay Pouchy. Mag-hello muna kayo sa vlog because we are currently live. We have an interview. We're waiting for the person that we will interview. Bakit wala na namang kulay yung labi ko? Napansin ko lang ha. Walang kulay yung labi ko sa mga... Paano ba maglagay ng kulay man lang dito? Wala ba ditong Beautify Kineson? Ba yan? Putlang-putla yan. Wala ba ditong Beautify Enhance? Ayan. Ayan. Okay, Beautify. Lagyan natin ng kaunting lipstick, mga lipstick lang sapat na. Ayan. Maglagay tayo ng lipstick. O yan, B. Ganyan dapat. Yung mukhang tao. Hi, baby. Andiyan si Popski. Okay. Wait. once again, we are out and about. Um, quick lunch, late lunch na actually because it's already 3 p.m. Late lunch and then mag-ano kami, mag-grocery. Ha?
Parang kay bamboo. Carrots and potato.
And now we're here at the grocery store kasi kailangan namin bumili ng mga food na iiwan namin sa mga bata. And we are finally home. That is a bit of a success. Marami naman tayo nagawa. Grocery. Nakasabay namin si Kuya Love pagpasok dito sa village. So, may nakatulong kami ng pagbababa. Also guys, I just wanna quickly show you. Nadaanan na rin namin yung mga pinasadya ko sa likhang kamay na Dreamcatcher. This one is the moon design. Siyempre, This is the moon design. I also got yung evil eye na design. There. So, it's really cool. And then, last but definitely not the least, the Tree of Life. This one. Sabi ko nga sayang kasi hindi ko na hindi ko na bigay, meron ako mga feathers dito. Feeling ko gusto kong dagdagan ng feather tong Tree of Life because pag dinikit ko siya dito, hindi nakita yung ano niya. But it's so pretty. It's gonna come to our wall. So this is our whole wall. Nasa likod natin yung collection natin. I am going to put that in later. And then I'd probably give the price. Nalimutan ko na. Hindi ko pala nasama yung presyo. Ito, ang ganda-ganda nito. I love it. It's perfect. Okay. Anyway, that's that. Alam nyo, inaantok na talaga ako. Kaya katawan lupa ako. Grabe. Good morning. Good morning, Chan Chan. So, it is 3 in the morning. We have 7 hours of sleep. Alam nyo kagabi, hindi ko pala nakwento. So, bago ko matulog, sabi ko, parang nasi-CR ako. Kala ko, na lang ako. Girl, pagpasok ko sa banyo, parang bigla na lang ako nang hina. Parang alam mo yung nabalis. Nakakaloka, girl. Tapos pinagpawis as in sobrang dami kong pawis. Hindi ko na naintindihan. Parang ang last ko na lang natanda. Ako'y nagpapalit ng t-shirt kay Papski. Tapos, saka lang ako nakatulog. Diyos mio. Nakakaloka yung ganap na yun. So, anyway, today, we need to do a couple of things. We need to make sure, number 1, makapag-pack na tayo because we're tomorrow, right around this time, mag-travel na tayo. Going to Boracay. And then 2, I have 2 priority tasks sa mga client. Sa mga clients, and then I need to do a couple more things for work. Also, I need to get back to sa mga collaboration requests sa akin. But we're getting through each of the tasks day by day, ganyan. We'll just grab coffee.
Hi guys. My name is
Meeting si
Christopher.
Papski.
You can call me Chris. My talent, I can think of any.
Being a good husband.
Yeah, sleeping. It's
Being
my
a good
talent.
husband.
Though it's hard to get by these days.
Being a good husband is your talent.
And I like it here in retention. Just like what Justin mentioned, pretty exciting. A lot of different scenarios every call. Like in sales, it's very monotonous, and you always get the same call each and every day and every hour. So far still trying to get a hang of the retention process. But yeah, so far so good. So far so good.
It is 8 in the morning and we need to go to the vet before we can even pack for Boracay because the bamboo is bambooing. Bambooing. No, nagpoop siya ng may dugo. So, I think it's also a Pokemonsters time that we bring him to the vet para wala na lang problema bago kami umalis ng bahay. Kasi time for check-up na rin naman na siya. Oh, ito rin. Nagpupo ng may daga.
Wait lang. Oh, bakit ka-active ngayon? Hello! Oo. Ano nangyari ka naman dyan? Ha?
Sasa. And we are home. So, it's already 12:30. I have a few more tasks that I need to do. Now, my only parang choices right now would either be mag-rest muna, matulog, and then pangit natin sa angle na to. And then, okay. Yeah. Ayaw pa rin. And then continue working later on. Or mag-work na kayo. I personally think that it's the first one muna. Para lang may energy tayo because if I sleep now and then wake up a little later around 8, I'd have the energy to do all of my meetings and all of the pending tasks and all. Sige, yun muna. Rest muna tayo.